All right, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from the United States, something new. Let's check it out. Oh, nice. So I was contacted by a company called Bias about a new Korean-style ramen that they were making, and they wanted me to try it once it was ready, and now it is ready. So in this box is that ramen. So let's check it out. Well, first things first, as is apropos these days, I suppose, are the stickers. All these companies are sending out stickers, and I really like stickers, so thanks. Also, some branded crinkly tissue paper. That's a nice little touch. And here is the product. I've been seeing a lot of play on this on Instagram and such. This is their Bias branded Apgu red chili. Apgu is a reference to an area in South Korea. I want to say it's maybe an area in Seoul. I don't know. Maybe a district, like Gangnam's a district or area. But yeah, this looks fancy. It's a wide bowl. It's got some nice features to it. Is it something like it's low calories? Here we go. It's 320 calories. I think it's got higher protein and a nice amount of fiber. And it's vegan friendly. And yeah, they sent me 6 of them. I'm not going to eat all 6, obviously, unless it's really, really good. But let's crack one open and look at what we have in here. So we've got, here, let's face it nicely. Well, actually, I can just flip it over. You're seeing it upside down compared to the way I was seeing it. We've got feels like a veg sachet, and a red powder sachet, and a non-fried noodle block. This looks kind of like the ones they have in Rao. Interesting. But yeah, this looks like it could be good. I don't know. I'll have to try it and let you know. And hey, a big thanks to the folks over at Bias for sending over this spicy red chili Apgu ramen. Yeah, I'll be trying this very soon. You're probably going to see a picture going by if you haven't already. I'll have tried it before I edit this video. And there'll be either a thumbs up or a thumbs down. If it's got a thumbs up, I recommend it. So, yeah. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.